Now to some breaking news this midday. This morning, Governor Greg Abbott signed Senate Bill 8, the Texas Heartbeat Act. Starting September 1st, abortions will be banned once a fetal heartbeat is detected. That's typically at 6 weeks gestation, which is before most women even know they're pregnant. The bill does not make exceptions for survivors of rape or incest who become pregnant from the crime, only for medical emergencies. The bill also allows Texans to sue a doctor who performs or has an intent to perform an abortion and recover at least $10,000 unless they are the person who raped or committed incest against the woman who is pregnant. Again, this law is set to go into effect September 1st.